Hi guys, welcome to the session. Today we'll be uh, learning about slicers and filters. Now, filters and slicers both are nothing but how to organize your data when you are working on your uh, spreadsheet, especially when your spreadsheet is having lots of data. So let us begin. Now, this is suppose one of your tables, and now in the home tab, if you go to the right hand side, you will find sort and filters. Click on filter, and sorry, I forgot to select my data, and filter, and you see on the headings of each column you have got now drop down menus. Now in the category, if I just select, instead of select all, I just select say chocolates. Now it is showing you all the data which are related to chocolates under category chocolates: Cadbury's 150 gram, Kit Kat, Mars, etc. Again, you can chocolate, so beer and items, and what quantities are available in different shops that you own. That is one way of sorting your data, organizing your data. But there is a better way. I'll show you. So I'll remove this filter. Oh, sorry. We have to bring it to original set of data. And remove the filter. Now let us see the better way of doing it. Now for that, we'll select the required rows and columns and go to insert and create a pivot table. I think we have already learnt about pivot table, so I'll not go into the details about explaining all about again about pivot table. You can refer to our previous sessions. Normally I prefer to create a pivot table on the new worksheet, but here I'll create in the same worksheet to so that I could show it to you how it works more properly. Now it is asking for the location. I'll select location F1 and F1, sheet 1, F1, it has already come. Now this is the pivot table, and at the right hand side, if you see, it has given you all the names of the headings. Now we select items, quantity, and quantity shop Hill Street, quantity shop Heaven Street. Now this is your pivot table. We have already discussed about how pivot table works earlier. Now we select here again, and we go into insert menu bar and select slicer here. Insert slicer. Now we'll select category, filter, and one of the shops and say OK. Now it has created 3 slicers for us. It's funny why it is called slicer, but anyway, they call it slicer. Now if I select chocolate here, it shows here under category chocolate, these are the items available, and quantity at shop this shop is this much, quantity at this shop is this much. Again, if I add household, now what it will say is under household, these are the products available and their quantities are these. Now under household, if I select bucket, it will say under household bucket is an item and these are its quantities. Say medicine, there are two medicines under this under medicine category, Nurofen and this. When I was doing this, I just thought of telling you that once you have selected your say for example in category I've selected medicine, and if you click it again, it doesn't go. You have to clear your slicer by clicking here, and then it becomes clear. So under lolly, you have got these kind of lollies. You must be thinking under lolly why I am selecting items separately, because we can see it all here. But guys, this is for the large databases where maybe under lollies there will be 1000 items and you are not interested. You just want to know about one item. So you can select one item and see what quantities are available in different shops. And if you want to see more than one, then what you can do is you can press Ctrl and click the item that you want to see. It will show all the three. And suppose you don't want to see a $2 bag, press Ctrl, click on this, leave it, and it will go away. So this is how you manage your or organize your data using slicers and filters. And I'll just add one thing here. When I was using slicers, from the table I created a pivot table, and then I made use of slicers, and that happened because I am using Excel version 2010, and if you are having Excel 2016 onwards, then you don't need to create pivot table. You can create slicers directly on your original table. This is something which has been added after 2016. Not a big deal, because creating slicer is anyway a very straightforward thing. But remember, just for the information, that if it is 2016 onwards, you can directly create slicers on the table itself. So these kind of small differences you will find depending upon what version of Excel you are using, Microsoft Office. But those small changes can always be it can be managed. This particular thing I thought of telling you because I was trying to, because earlier I had used 2016 and I'm used to it. So I was trying to create slices directly on the original table, but it was not working. Then I realized that, okay, this is 2010. First, we have to create the pivot table out of table and then apply slices on that. So hope this was a very straightforward session. You got any questions, write down in the comment section of this tutorial, and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you.